I saw this video yesterday on my FYP, actually last night, and I was a bit triggered, and I was like, I just had to bite my tongue a little bit. But I came online today and I saw the same content piece, so I was like, you know what, let me just cough out what is on my chest, because this video is a bit triggering for me. Okay, hear me out. This situation, if in case you don't know, this is the video that I'm talking about. This is a common case in Maphehlweni that people often experience. So my chat is this: 80% of us, or 80% of Dlozi hands, mabahamba bayothwasa in most cases. Umuntu usuke agula, right? And when you talk about ingulo, it's not just about you being physically sick, but it's about your whole life being sick, because now there's this calling that has actually your whole life on hold, or rather, I always say this: things fall apart before they come together. And that's what happens to most Dlozi hands when they're about to embark on their spiritual journey. And 80%, if not 90% of the time, abantu mabayothwasa, they do not necessarily have the means to do so. They are always coming from a point of struggling. And remember, uguye phehlweni, like you're going to your spiritual home, the ICU, ICU, yes, you understand? And ugobela umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi akusize ululame, upole, all these things that are supposed to happen to you, so that you can be at your best, so that you can go out and serve, Now, I saw a video Gogo, she's asking for help. It comes back to the conversation of, is everybody really called to be a gobela? Because my question that you are that person's spiritual parent. You understand? And if you can see that, what, Umpo is struggling, but dealing is but financially she's struggling, there's always a plan B for somebody to go home, because she's been done long ago, but now there's this thing that is holding her back, which is money. Money. Because of money, we can't move forward. Because of money, you can't go. So where do we draw the line now of saying, is the healing more about the money or about the healing work? Because if you're Dlozi as ugobela belazi oradi idlozi lalo muntu nedlozi lakho bezixhumene, kwaziyo ukuthi umpho uyeza kodwa uhluphekile ngokomoya nangokwenyama, surely we can make an exception ukuthi makahamba ekhaya uzobuya sebenze, anyeke ubaleke. You can't run away from your parent. You always have to come back at some point. You know what I mean? I personally know people that have taken out loans and are still repaying loans that they took out mabethwasa, that sold houses and cars, uphume phehlweni. People that quit their job, bathatha imali zabo zokugcina ukuyokhokhela abogobela, because of this thing that you need to pay this in order to come out. So it opens another conversation or another chat. Uguti, where do we draw the line between the financial aspect? Yes, Asalu Gobela's been helping you and assisting you. That's how I feel like if you're Gobela and called into this office, your Dlozi will surely make means to provide for you, to provide for your kids. In cases yokuthi umuntu is there ephehlweni, they can't do all these things, then you are able to step in, fill the gaps, and. Or should, before uyothwasa, get a stationary list of what is required of you, so that when you go la ephehlweni, you need to have about 50k in your bank account, And unless you have that 50k, then you can go be sick. Is it a power play that's at this? Is it a power play? Like, I'm lost. Is it a power play? So I don't want to be insensitive, but to Ugogo, because I don't see the reason why you need to keep somebody because they don't have the means to give you inkomo yako. Unless loyo muntu loyo is not working in their office and that is their bag. If that is their bag, then I can't let you go, because I secured a bag. You've been here for an X amount of years. On top of the emotional, psychological, physical, spiritual trauma that one endures, now your whole life is on hold because you can't afford 20k or 30k or 50k. Should amaphehlo now be regulated? Or do you need to take out a loan before your twasa? Because I can hear Gogo voice in here. She sounds, like she still wants to protect Gobela. No, Gobela has been doing everything for me. No, honey, you should have been let to go home. You should have been let to go home. Outside of Istima Saka Gobela, Istima Sempande, I honestly feel like this could have been handled differently. Yeah, and very much so with dignity, Yeah, that's just me. I feel like this could have been handled differently. Also, you never really know ezinye izinto idlozi that brings your way to test the healer in you. To test the healer in you. Maybe this is Gobela's test. What if it's Gobela's test? Remember, there's a very thin line. There's a lot of people that are actually going through this, abagade bahambe emakhaya, who are staying emzini abogobela, who can't come back. You don't speak about it. Ukuthi kunabantu that have been held hostage, and there's nothing you can do to somebody who's under hypnosis ka Gobela. You'll always be in the wrong.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So there's a viral video of Magilo Sektwaseni lo besektwaseni for isikhathi lesithe kakhulu, and she was asking people to help her ukuthi bambhadalela khona kuphuma njengoba solo hleli enakanayo imali yokuthi abhadale. And into njengale nto tiyendeka tivamile kakhulu, where you find ukuthi umuntu sekuthwaseni maybe for years, maybe boma 4 years, domnyaka ukuthi una 5 years asekuthwaseni, so la kaphumi because angeke aphumi because Gobela uthi nje imali yakhe yena uyifuna la. So what umpho abadimo was saying ukuthi why umuntu ngamdedeli aphume if wena you are doing ukuthwasa, when uyathwasisa abantu just because esiphiwo sakho uphiwe bakini, then why are you doing it ukuthi vele kubonakale ukuthi wena vele ufuna imali? If umuntu angakunika imali then angamana ahlale azayofa ekhaya lakho, but angeke wena uzumhambise ngaphandle kwemali. So she's saying ukuthi why ungamekeli umuntu ahambe, because vele uma ukuthi unemadluda ngisho umthwasisile utohamba lo muntu ayosebenza laphe abantu, and she will pay you or he'll pay you back imali yakho kancane kancane azakhona ukubhadala yonke. Vele kucace ukuthi wena wenda lokho because of udefunela imali business njena awunandzaba nokuthi labanye abantu baphile. So she even said ukuthi shokuthi ngelo bantu mabekuthwaseni kufuna ama before ungena ekhaya libantu bakubhalele phasi ukuthi lana uyothenga lokhu naloku, so that dokho nahlala phasi ubale ibudget yakho ukuthi uyaqualify yini kungena la noma awuqualify, ungazotifake enkingeni because uthola abantu sebathengisa indlu tabo because bafuna ukubhadala abogobela. Umuntu asala nganalutho just because ufuna kubhadala agobela. People take loans ukuthi babhadale abogobela, and that's really not fair. If umuntu lophuma yosebenza, why umuntu kufanele azabe bankrupt kokuthi abhadale gobela, umuntu agcina sicila sagobela, like nje it really doesn't make sense. So people said ukuthi lento lo ikhulumako ukhuluma liqiniso. Most people are actually agreeing with her ukuthi uqinisile vele into enjalo ukuthi khona siyadibona webhayi gobela amvalile umuntu athi nje wena wenzawo ungakangibhadali. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.